And during that study time, also had an opportunity to visit the GB Road. GB Road is the red light area of New Delhi. And during the visit, we saw many women full of pain, full of grief. I was determined that we needed to do something for these women. From ashes, we rise, transforming life, empowering women, rebuilding life. I'm Eunice Stephen and run an NGO called Rehab Center for Home. It's a NGO that rescued women who are in distress, working in various multinational companies spanning over 25 years in top management roles. Despite the prestige and the financial success that I had, I always felt deep within me to transition into social sector, area which was unknown to me with no prior experience. Yet I had a determination to do something for women, to bring about a change. It was during my study for the master's in social work, and during that study time, also had an opportunity to visit the GB Road. GB Road is the red light area of New Delhi. And during the visit, we saw many women full of pain, full of grief. I was determined that we needed to do something for these women, to break open the change that they were in, to bring freedom, to bring hope, to bring about a change, and make them financially independent. That was when we started Rehab Center for Hope, to rescue, rehabilitate, restore, and repatriate women in distress. This is called Bethel Bhavan, Shelter Home for Displaced Women. It is a licensed home by the Department of Women and Child Development, and we have rescued over 200 women, 26 internationally trafficked women from 8 countries, and helped them repatriate to their own countries. In India, we've covered north to south, east to west, and we've had women who we got married, established them back into society. We've also helped them in skill and vocational training, giving them education, and also helping them get a job and helping them in our women empowerment program. The Bethel Bhavan Shelter Home is located in Southwest Delhi. And right now we are expanding our Saksham, which is a tailoring and stitching unit. We've trained over 200 women, and we would like to expand this program. Besides the women empowerment program, we've also had community development programs that help in education, health. The elderly program is Prerna, which is a daycare center. We also have Asha, which is for adolescent girls, and also the challenges that they face so that they can smoothly transition from adolescence to adulthood. Our Disha Shisha Kendra is a free tuition center for dropout girls, giving them an opportunity to study so that they can complete their high school and move on to do their college and get enrolled in government schemes as well. So this is part of what we do. My dream is to empower more women, help them to stand on their own feet, give them financial independence, and also the freedom and hope that they want. Together, we can make a difference. Together, we can be a voice for the voiceless and bring a smile on someone today. And you can be a part of it. Be a volunteer. Be a person who can come and donate or be a part of our program. Come and visit the home and be a part of the change. Be a part of what we are doing and inspire hundreds of women to be financially independent. Thank you.